So now moving to the expert level shortcut of calculation and insert. Let's say you have a long list of sales data and want to analyze it by product or region. Don't start from scratch. Press Alt-N-V-T to instantly create a pivot table. It gives you a clean summary and lets you drag fields to slice the data however you need. Now, let's take that pivot data and visualize it. Once your pivot table is ready, you can press Alt-N-S-Z-C to add a pivot chart. It helps turn that data into a visual format like bar or pie charts, so your insights stand out during presentations or reports. Want Excel to suggest charts for you? Instead of guessing which chart to use, press Alt-N-S-P. Excel will show recommended pivot charts based on your data, super handy when you're in a rush or unsure what looks best. Need to insert other visuals into your sheet? Want to insert pictures, shapes, equations, or SmartArt? Press Alt plus N, then follow with P for picture, SH for shape, U for symbol, SC for screenshot, E for equation, M1 for SmartArt. These are perfect for adding visual elements to enhance your workbook or dashboard. Speaking of visuals, let's filter things interactively. Want to see visuals of your data? Select your data and press Alt. N. R. Excel will suggest the best chart types for you. It's a quick way to turn numbers into visuals without guessing. Working with tables or pivot tables? Press Alt. N. SF to add a slicer. It creates clickable buttons to filter data instantly. Great for creating dashboards or letting others explore data on their own. For time-based filters, go one step further. If your data includes dates, use Alt. N. ST to add a timeline filter. You can scroll through months or years visually. It's a great way to control time-based views without typing anything. Now let's make sure your data is clean. Want to restrict a cell to only allow numbers or drop-down selections? Use Alt. A. V. V to set data validation rules. It reduces errors and keeps your inputs consistent. What if someone enters something wrong? When cells break validation rules, press Alt. A. V. I to circle them in red. This instantly shows where the mistakes are. No need to hunt around manually. Once errors are fixed, let's clear those circles. To remove all the red circles from your sheet after fixing issues, just press Alt. A. V. R. It brings your sheet back to a clean look without affecting the actual data. Need to summarize multiple ranges? If you have totals from multiple sheets or regions, press Alt. A. N to consolidate them into one table. Choose how you want to summarize, sum, average, etc., and Excel does the math for you. Let's build relationships across tables. If your workbook has separate tables like customers and orders, use Alt. A to connect them through shared fields. It's essential for advanced analysis using the data model. Speaking of data, to view or update your workbook's data model, press Alt. A. D. M. This is where you can see relationships, calculated fields, and control how your tables interact behind the scenes. Ready to predict the future? Want to predict sales or revenue for next month? Select your data, then hit Alt. A. F. C to create a forecast sheet. Excel automatically plots future trends based on historical data, no complex formulas needed. Let's keep everything fresh. If your file pulls data from other sources, like queries or pivots, use Alt. A. R to refresh everything at once. It ensures you always have the most updated numbers before sharing or presenting. That's all for now. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.